ProLift Galvanized Turnbuckles. These turnbuckles are the versatile solution for a variety of rigging and suspension projects. They're drop forged for uniform grain and long service life, and hot dip galvanized for corrosion resistance. Check out our guide to turnbuckles for best selection and installation practices. Our customers use ProLift Galvanized Turnbuckles to tension professional cable suspension assemblies for guy wires and overhead rigging, as well as securing cargo and adjusting shade sails. Choose from a variety of styles like eye, jaw, hook, jaw, and hook eye. Select thread diameters from 1/4 to 1 inch and lengths from 4 to 24 inches. Always use turnbuckles for inline loads only. These turnbuckles meet or exceed ASME B30.26 and ASTM F1145 standards, as well as U.S. Federal Specifications FFT 791. When it comes to rigging, ProLift Galvanized Turnbuckles are the premium choice for corrosion resistance and long service life. Shop turnbuckles at E-Rigging.com.